With autumn here, everyone has their own version of pumpkin soup to show off. But I climbed the mountain and jungle beaten by many mosquitoes to give you my version inspired by the Akha tribe of northern Thailand.
It's good with the moment.
Are you ready? Make some noise! Pumpkin for many of you is a shift in seasons, like autumn is near, coziness, Halloween. I grew up in Singapore and there is no seasons. It's all green, hot and humid. I know Halloween is a big deal here, but this is really my first time experiencing Halloween. So when I walk around the neighborhood, you see little decorations that people really went all out. We went past this house. They went all the way where they have singing pumpkins like a Muppet show, and then there was skeletons sitting right in front of it. I stood there and watched the performance for probably like 3 to 5 minutes. So right now the experience for me living in States is you really have to embrace the season before everything's gone. It just goes. So season change, you can see everyone's spirit in embracing it. So we're gonna start off with this pumpkin that I'm really excited about. It's by Row 7 Chef Dan Barber, who champions flavor in producing a variety ranges of produce that we can now find a lot in Whole Foods. Yeah, so we're gonna cut half. Smells almost like a cantaloupe. I'm just gonna remove the seeds. So be patient with the pumpkin if it has a lot of crevices. Chop it up first, cut it between the ear, and then you peel it. Eventually it's much easier. So about the Akha tribe, how I met them was when I was doing a road trip around Thailand, trying to find organic farmers. There are many types of tribes in northern Thailand. Akha tribe is one of them. They eat only plants because they only do foraging. Their kitchen, there's no stove with wood and charcoal, but they do baking, grilling, boiling, steaming with just open fire. So many techniques in one, and it was really humbling. And that's how I had this book. It was from her. Favorite recipes of Hilltribe and children. And then this is the one that we are doing today. So it has lemongrass, it has pumpkin, pork, and basil. Then we cut it into smaller cubes. Next we have onions, half of it will be enough. The soup will be blended after, so it doesn't need to be like super fine. The special ingredient, lemongrass. This is the recipe from the Hilltribe, and we cut it so it has maximum exposure surface area to have more flavors going out. So we're gonna start cooking. I'm gonna warm up the pan with neutral oil. We're trying to capture as much essence of what I experienced in Thailand with the Hilltribe. So we put in the onions first, spread it a little. Onions are a little translucent now. I'm gonna add the lemongrass to perfume it. Let it release the aroma. I'll add the pumpkin. And we top up with chicken stock. Didn't you say there was pork in the recipe? We're gonna add crispy bacon on top. Okay, chill. So, bring to a boil and we simmer. Bacon bits. So I'm just gonna render off the bacon fat, and then it will provide some meaty nuances, as well as finish it with chili powder. So here I have the habaneros. So we're gonna fry the basil leaves. You can use Italian basil if you can't find the Thai basil. It gives you flavor and it also beautifies the dish. But be very careful. It really pops. So we can see that the pumpkins are cooked when you poke through it. And then we're gonna fish out the lemongrass before we blend it. And you can see from the pot itself, it looks like the colors of autumn already. Growing up in Singapore, we only know that there's a change of season when we go to the shopping mall. like, oh, they start putting out decorations of Western culture stuff. But coming here is like, it comes to life. Everything that I seen on TV happens real life. So sometimes it's like, it still feels a bit surreal. Experiences and a lot of stimulation in that sense. So we're gonna blend it in batches. Remember not to fill it all the way up. Hot broth will go up even more. So the soup is done, smooth and dairy free. I guess everyone has their own pumpkin soup. This is my unique take, my take. I guess we can call it California in that sense. So this is a approach of inspired by the Akha ladies, but approach with a Western lens. I'm just gonna add the bacon with the habanero, and then we have the fried basil leaves. So we're gonna try. It's very sweet and very nutty, smooth. I'm gonna try with the other elements. This is good. The bacon adds the meaty texture to it. The basil is fragrant and herbaceous. When I eat everything, it does remind me of the Hilltribe soup. So I hope you get to try this recipe, and I really look forward to this fall season because it's my first fall season and it will be Halloween soon. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and see you next week. And please give me a little few notes on what is your favorite fall food or fall season produce so that I know what to look for when I'm in exploring America itself. Thank you. See ya. You might eat with the bacon in it.